Hi, welcome to Broadened Horizons. I'm Jaden and I'm going to discuss my progress this week in learning digital art and game development. This week for digital art, I mostly focused on watching lectures in the art course I've been taking. So I learned some basic biology on how the eye works. Nothing new really, I did learn about this back in high school. Otherwise, I also learned about what areas of an art piece we typically look at first, and also about nude figure drawing. Some of the practices I started are drawing basic mannequins from photo references of nude figure models. The ones I used are by Adorka Shock on DeviantArt. Another part of the practice for drawing nude figure models was drawing cylinders in different shapes and angles. I mean, different sizes and angles, because cylinders are a shape on their own, of course. And I came to the realization that I cannot draw a circle freehand, so I've been working on that. Admittedly, when I found out that I was bad at it, I was rather frustrated. It felt like another obstacle, but I mean, with some practice I'll definitely get it right. Hopefully the muscle memory will kick in at some point. Admittedly, I didn't feel too good about my progress with digital art this week because I was mostly focusing on the lectures and I didn't really practice that much. Like all the practice that I've been mentioning, I've only done yesterday really, and I'm going to continue with that next week and moving forward as well. Moving on to game development, I'd say I'm really happy with my progress this week. Like the tutorial I've been following, I've actually been able to make something that looks like an actual game. I can't show you the footage unfortunately because I used assets from the tutorial and I'm not really sure if I can use those in this video due to copyright reasons, but I'll show you the code. Some of the things I did was animate players and enemies. I also learned how to program in player movement and enemy movement. I even managed to program in an enemy spawner, which was just wow, I didn't expect to get this far in just one weekend. I really do think that I'll be able to finish this game by the end of next week as well. And that's about it for my progress this week. I'd say overall I'm pretty satisfied. I am really pleased with my progress in game development, and despite my concerns with my progress in digital art, the reality is that I know more than I did last week, and I'd say that's the most important thing for me. So yeah, all the links to the learning resources I used are down in the description if anyone wants to check them out. And I'll see you in the next video in a week, hopefully. See ya.